Today we'll be covering all of your questions around not being able to drape pattu saree so that it stays in place, managing your front pleats, making it look nice and neat and not too puffy and not too pressed down in the front. First things first, as always, you want to iron the entire saree. I'm just going to pleat my pallu, and you just kind of pick up the width that you'd like and place it over the next layer and kind of repeat that till you get to the other end of the saree. Before we get started, grab your saree, and if you don't have a saree with you right now, grab a bed sheet, a blanket, a scarf, any long piece of material with a straight edge. What you're gonna do is take your saree or whatever fabric you have and hold it like this, and you're gonna take your hand, and you can do this with your left or right hand, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna use my right hand, and you're gonna grab it with the thumb and the 3 fingers in the middle. The pinky's gonna stick out and it's gonna guide the pleats. And then what I'm gonna do is guide the fabric. So my pinky's up. When the saree gets to the pinky, you want to kind of the pinky down, and then bring the saree to the other end, lift up your thumb and grab it, and then do that again. Lift up your pinky and grab the saree, lift up your thumb, grab the saree. And then you just keep doing that again and again until you get as many pleats as you need or want. And then to let go, what you're gonna do is you're going to focus on your thumb and your middle finger. Your middle and I guess your ring finger. And you're gonna let your index finger and your pinky finger go. But you've gotta let go in a very specific way. You let go of your index finger and your pinky, and you hold together your thumb to your middle finger and your ring finger. So watch this. And then you can shake them out and then stagger them how you like them. I feel like pleating the front pleats is one of the biggest points of anxiety or stress while draping a saree. So I hope this little hack helps you drape your saree and enjoy the process. The first drape I'm gonna do is without any ironing. It's just going to be organic pleat. I'm gonna drape it as normal. Tuck in everything nice and neat. Take my pallu, put it over my left shoulder, and start with the front pleats. So this is the organic pleat look. I didn't iron the pleats at all, and this works for sarees like this one where it is puffy. As you can see, there's more volume at the bottom of the saree, but it's pretty much still holding the pleats. It's a little too puffy for my liking, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you iron one side of the pleats. It gives you that beautiful organic look you want on the outside, but still gives it some structure, and the pleats aren't gonna go all wild on you. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment box below, and I will see you in a future video.